So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert one or more PSD files to what? PDF. So you can see I have two PSD files here, which I'll convert to a PDF. But first, I'm going to try with one. Then we'll look at how we can do two or more. So first, I'll start with one here. So I'm going to open this in my Photoshop right here. So here I have my file successfully open in my Photoshop. So this is what I want to do, right? Now to convert this to what PDF, it's just simple, right? What you want to do is you have to go to what file, then on the menu you are going to look for what automate. So if you scroll down, you are going to see automate right here. Now when you hover on it, you are just going to see another drop down menu. Another drop down menu, you are going to look for what PDF presentation, which is what we have here. So you just click on PDF presentation. Now you see this pop-up menu, PDF presentation menu. What you want to do is you want to check this source files here, which is what add open files. Once you check it, you are going to see the number of files that you have in this workspace appear here. And because I have only one file in this workspace, I'm going to select the one I have here. Now you have things here like what file name. You want to include things like title, author, description, copyright. If you want to add all those things, you can add all those things, but I'm just going to skip them for now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on save. Now it's going to ask me where do you want to save it. So I'm going to choose my download path. So I'll just make this what PDF1. Now because I'm trying to do two type of videos, how you can do one or do multiple, so I'll just do PDF1, then do the next one PDF2. So I just save this. Now you come to what save PDF window. Now you want to click on what compression, because you don't want the PDF file being too big. It's not good. So I want to what change the maximum to what high. Then what that's it. You just what click save. Now this loads and saves what your PDF for you. So let's go to what my download folder and see if we have our PDF here. So I have my PDF1 successfully opened, successfully converted. So if I double click on it, let's see if I will get my PDF right here. So here we go. So here we go, successfully converted our what PSD file to a PDF. You can see it's successfully converted. So now the next thing is, let's say you want to have two or more files converted to what PDF. So I'm going to close this for now, and I'm going back to what my document where I have the second file. So here I am, I'm back inside my what PSD file here. So this is the one I converted. So now what I want to do is what, first of all, let me just what close this so you get it from the start. So I'm going to what select the files that I want. So let's say you have 50 different types of files. Depending on the number of files you have, you just have to what select all of them. So because I have two, I just will select the two. So I'm also going to what open the two files that I have in what Photoshop. So I'll just click open and wait for them to open. Now once they are open, you have what two of your what PDF files right here. So what you want to do is what you just want to go to the same thing. You just click on file, you will go to what automate, then you go to PDF presentation also, then you go to add source. Now this time around, when you add source, you are going to see two files here because you open two files. If you have 10, you are going to see all the 10 appear here. What you want to do is what you are going to arrange the files based on the order of PDF you want. Now maybe in your PDF, if you want this to be the first file, 23.psd to be the first file, then what you drag this to the top. then subscribe.psd will come to second. So depending on the number of files you have, you can drag and arrange the files that you have right here. So you can see I'm able to arrange the files based on which one I want to be first and second. So you can arrange all the files here. Once you are done with all of them, you come again to save. Now you're also going to select where you want to save. So I'm going to download, and I'm going to do what? PDF2. This time around, PDF2. Then what? We just click save. We are going to wait for what? The PDF menu to load. So we just go to compression as well, and also switch this to high as well, so we don't get too bigger file size. Then we'll just save once again. We'll wait for it to load for some time and also save. Okay, so now it's saved now. So I'm just going to my download folder again. Then I have my PDF2 here. So let's see the PDF2 and what we have here. So open it and load. Now you can see I have two files here. So I'm seeing one of two. So if I scroll down, you can see, then I go to the second file. So you can see right here I have two different PDF files here. So if you have 50 files, all of them will come based on the arrangement. So you can see this was my first file as I arranged, so it came here as first, and this was my second file, so that was also second, just the way I've arranged it. So that is how you convert PSD files to a PDF. If this file is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in another video.